If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Right, class starts from 14th of February. Hello, all. Welcome back to Current Affairs Checklist series. I'm Guna Mathivanan from Offices IAS Academy. In today's video, we will be discussing Indo Pacific Economic Framework. Indo Pacific Economic Framework for Prosperity. So this is a initiative of United States. So US came with the trade initiative. US came with the trade initiative for Asia Pacific region, that is IPEF. Right? I will write here. So US came with, it's a trade initiative. It's a US trade initiative. It was launched in the year 2022. What is the intention? Basically to counterbalance the rising powers of China. So China is rising in the Indo Pacific region. In the Indo Pacific region, China is emerging. So to counter the China's emergence, US wanted to come up with an initiative, trade initiative, to counterbalance the China's hegemony. So this initiative came in 2022. There are totally 14 members in this IPEF initiative. Who are those 14 members? Yes, we know. USA is a member. Fiji is a member. India is a member. Japan, Korea, that is South Korea, Australia, New Zealand, right? Along with that, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brunei, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, right? You count, you'll have 14 countries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So these 14 countries are the participants of this Indo Pacific Economic Framework for Prosperity. Now you may ask, so it's a trade initiative. What do you mean? Is it a trade agreement? Is it a free trade agreement kind of initiative? No. IPEF is not an agreement. It is not a trade agreement. Rather, it is a framework. IPEF is a framework. See, there are 4 pillars. In IPEF, there are 4 pillars. There are 4 pillars of IPEF. So, it's a first one that is regarding trade. Second one is regarding supply chain. Is regarding supply chain. Third one that is regarding clean economy. Fourth one is regarding fair economy. Trade, supply chain, clean economy, fair economy. Now, the 14 countries who are part of this IPEF framework, they are broadly agreeing to these 4 pillars. So they are agreeing to these 4 pillars. That means I will give you an analogy for better understanding. I'm giving you an analogy. So let me take some 4 pillars. What pillars? Number 1, getting early at 5 a.m. every day. Second one, we will solve previous year questions every day. Number 3, we will read NCERT every day. Number 4, we will take test every week. And these are the 4 pillars some UPSC aspirants are discussing. Now, those students who are having the same like-mindedness, that yes, we want to get up at 5 a.m. Yes, we want to solve PYQ. Yes, we want to study NCERT. We want to take up test every week. Those like-minded students, they form a group. Like that, those 14 like-minded countries, they are having some kind of agreement in the sense, don't think trade agreement, some kind of consensus. Okay, we will do these kind of trade. We will have proper supply chains. We will have cleaner economy. We should have fairness in our business. So on these are some broader objectives which the countries have agreed. So these are some broader objectives which the students have agreed. Alright. Now these students have like-mindedness. Now these students, they can engage in some agreements. But these are like some preamble, basic things which they will do. Only such students, they come together. Then they individually, they can form some agreements. They can say, we will study polity today. I will teach you economics. They will come up with separate engagements. So this IPEF is a framework. Okay. So India, out of this 4 pillars, these are called as 4 pillars, the framework. Out of those 4 pillars, India has agreed for this supply chain, clean economy and fair economy. India said, we are okay with your framework for the 2nd, 3rd and 4th. But for the trade aspect, we will be an observer. We will wait and see. Then we will join. We will agree to that point. For example, look at this. One student comes and says that, guys, I am okay for solving PYQ, NCERT test every day. But for waking at 5 a.m. only, let me see as an observer. First, let me see whether you are waking up at 5 a.m. regularly or not. I will look at it, then I will join your club. I mean, in this 3 aspects, that person is joining. One aspect, he says, I will be an observer, then I will join. So like that, IPEF is a framework, that is not an agreement. Statement says if it is a trade agreement, free trade agreement, that is wrong. So kind of minimum consensus on these broader areas. So India is okay with the pillar number 2, 3, 4. First pillar, India said we will observe for some time, then we will join. Are you clear? You're able to understand? So yes, 14 countries. These 14 countries, they collectively have almost 40% of the global GDP. So significance, so basically to control or to find an alternative for the China's growing commercial presence across Asia Pacific, that is the intention. So IPEF is essentially to control the China's emergence. I hope the topic was useful. So I will see you tomorrow with another interesting topic. Till then, bye, take care.